How to check if your WhatsApp account is hacked or not. In this video, we are going to see how you can check if your WhatsApp account has been hacked by other people or not. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. On that note, let's get started. So the first thing that you can check is open your WhatsApp and head over to your settings. Once you are inside your settings, what you can do is scroll down a bit, and from here if you head over to your chat section and tap on chat backup, and from here if you tap on Google account, if there is any Google account that is not recognizable by you, then that means that person probably is backing up your chat on their Google account and has been accessing your information. So that this is a good way to check if your account has been hacked or not. Then the other thing that you can check is head over to your account section and tap on request account info. So if there are any active requests that has been made on your account recently, then that probably means that your account is hacked as well. So they can request your report, and as you can see it will be ready by 26th October. But if it has been a recent date and someone has sent a request, then that probably means that your account is hacked as well. And the last thing that you can check is if you head over to your privacy section, and if there are any settings that have been messed up or that have been set by you but are changed, then that means your account is hacked as well. And the last thing that you can check is just go back on your profile and tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on link device. So as you can see, here is a Google device that has linked my profile, so you can change it, or if this is not your device you can log out from it and then you will be safe. And then after you do that, you can log out from all of the devices and your account should be secured by doing this. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.